This tutorial explains the functionality of the Color Options panel. The Color Options panel within the RNA-seq Plot View Options window allows users to customize the colors of their generated plots. There are 4 inbuilt color palettes shown as rows of 10 colors with ticks along the top and the side. The colors are referred to within the program as Color 1, Color 2, Color 3, and so on. To select a set of 10 colors, tick the box next to the row of choice. To exclude a color in the set of 10, untick the respective box along the top. So to exclude green, I would untick this box. Users can also add their own color palettes using the VGAS colors file within the VGAS ensemble references file, which accompanies the application. To add a new palette, simply insert a new line and color the cells, labeling them from 1 to 10. Users can also change an existing color palette by changing one of the cells. The Color Option panel also includes coloring for heat maps. This is in both a heat map grid and a heat map scale. The heat map grid colors can be changed by ticking the scale of choice. To apply this coloring to the heat map scale, click Set Scale. The scale can encompass 3 to 5 colors using the 5 colored boxes located below the scale. Users can also drag the sliders to modify the scale. To save a scale as grid format, select Set Grid. This will add a palette that reflects the scale. Heat map colors can also be saved within the program using the VGAS colors file. Users can insert new rows with 3 to 5 colors and show the division of the total scale. For this to appear in the VGAS function, close VGAS and reopen it.